Probably the craziest thing I've ever seen. The sun is out and it's a complete ice storm. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God. And thank God there's no wind, huh? You can hear it, it's like roaring through the trees. Fucking crazy. Get the icicles on the house. I can't even look, it's so bright from the sun. Wow, who pissed Mother Nature off? Jeez. Oh my God. Tree branch fell. Oh man, I hope that didn't hit my camper.